Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Speaking. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Alex. Today, we have a super fun and delicious topic. Talk about your favorite food with Learn English Speaking.
Food is more than just something we eat. It brings happiness, creates memories, and connects people from different cultures. Today, we will learn useful vocabulary and expressions so you can confidently talk about your favorite food in English.
Whether you love burgers, pizza, pasta, biryani, sushi, or any special dish from your home, this lesson is perfect for you.
Let's start with some important words and phrases. Favorite, the one you like the most. Dish, a specific type of food. Main course, the main meal. Dessert, sweet food after the meal. Taste, flavor, spicy, sweet, savory, salty, sour. Texture, how it feels, crispy, creamy, juicy, crunchy, tender. Home-cooked meal, food made at home. Comfort food, food that makes you feel happy and relaxed. Street food, delicious food sold on the street.
Here are powerful sentences you can use. 1. My favorite food is cheeseburger because it's juicy, cheesy, and very satisfying. 2. I absolutely love spaghetti with meatballs. The rich tomato sauce and tender meatballs are perfect. 3. Nothing beats my mom's chicken biryani. It's aromatic, flavorful, and full of spices. 4. On weekends, I enjoy eating pizza with my friends. The crispy crust and melted cheese are amazing. 5. For dessert, I always choose chocolate cake or mango ice cream.
Now let's practice together. I'll go first. My favorite food is a cheeseburger. I love the combination of the juicy beef patty, fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and melted cheese. It's my ultimate comfort food. Whenever I'm happy, or even a little sad, eating a good burger makes me feel better. I usually eat it once or twice a month with French fries on the side.
My favorite food is spaghetti with meatballs. I really enjoy Italian cuisine. The pasta is perfectly cooked, the sauce is rich and tangy, and the meatballs are so tender. I can eat this dish every week without getting tired of it.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and answer these questions out loud. 1. What is your favorite food? 2. Why do you like it so much? 3. How does it taste? Use adjectives. 4. How often do you eat it? 5. Is it home-cooked or from a restaurant?
Try to speak for 45 to 60 seconds. Use the new vocabulary and speak with energy.
Here are 3 quick tips to improve your English speaking. Use lots of describing words, adjectives, like delicious, spicy, creamy, crunchy, and flavorful. Speak with emotion and smile while talking about food. It makes your English sound natural. Record yourself and listen back to check your pronunciation.
Remember, don't worry about making mistakes. The most important thing is to speak every day. Practice makes you fluent.
So, what is your favorite food? Tell us in the comments below. We read every comment.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English speaking practice.
Eat well, live well, and keep practicing English every single day.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.